Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June the 1st, 2018, and I'm going to be feeding my squash, zucchini, and patty pan squash today. So here some of them came up. I was working on weeding today. There's some more of them out there. And I was working on weeding and feeding, so I didn't get all the weeds pulled out yet, but I got enough of them pulled out that I can feed this stuff. So I'm going to be using the Eco Scraps Natural and Organic All-Purpose Plant Food. It's a 5x5, and I'm just going to be sprinkling this. Oops, here, let me show you. Get in here where you can see. Okay, and I'm just sprinkling some of this around. Now, I'm not going to work this into the soil. And the reason why I'm not is because the roots are close to the top. So even though we put the seeds down the way that they were supposed to be done, the root systems are closer to the top. So I don't want to damage the root systems or anything like that. So it actually says I'm going to be watering this in, which the directions say that you can do. And if you have a plant with root systems really close to the top, then by all means don't rough the ground up around them to get that plant food in. Just put it around and then just water them in. I'm going to give this little tomato here some. We have some volunteers that I'm just letting them in. I'm not going to pull them out. And I'm also going to be feeding these with a product called Sea Magic, which I already have it mixed up. And I will be bringing that over and showing you how to feed them. Now, not all of these came up that we planted. What actually happened is after we planted these, we had torrential downpours for a while where it would just rain, and I forget how many days of rain that we got, and then it got cooler out on us. So some of these are actually still coming up, and I see one right now that actually is still coming up. So what happens is when you get the torrential downpours like that and it just keeps raining and raining and raining, we actually had water standing in the garden, which is not a good thing at all. It washes the nutrients right out of the soil. So when your plants come up, or when they're growing, there's no food left for them because the rain washed it away. So I'm giving them a little extra help here. I know I put the plant food in when we planted the seeds, but I'm going to be giving them some more. So this Eco Scraps Natural and Organic All-Purpose Plant Food, you want to feed them once a month with it. And I just took some and sprinkled it around. I feel that it's better to underfeed than to overfeed, because once you overfeed your plants and you burn the root systems on them, you're done. That's it for that plant. So I just gave them a little bit of plant food there, and I'm going to get my Sea Magic here and we'll water it in. Okay, so I'm back, and I have my Sea Magic mixed up in the watering can. I'll have to go get some more because I don't have that much left in here. Now, when you feed these, if it's in the morning and it's like an overcast day or cloudy day out, you can put this on the leaves of your plants. It's not going to hurt them. It's going to feed them even more because the leaves are going to suck up the plant food. Now, if it's closer to nightfall, you definitely don't want to water your plants on the leaves because you'll risk powdery mildew and other types of blights and diseases, and we don't want to do that. So I'm just taking this down around here and just watering this Sea Magic in. And that's also going to water the plant food in as well. And Sea Magic is a really awesome organic product. It's made out of seaweed, and I'll have a link down below for it, and I have to get some more to finish the other ones off. And what I've noticed with this is it helps with plant diseases, it helps with pests, it makes your plants grow faster, it makes them flower quicker to give you a harvest faster. I've noticed a huge difference with it in years that I've used it and in years that I haven't used it. So I definitely, it's one of my favorite products to use. And like I said, I'll have a link down below for it. You can go check that out. So I'm going to mix some more Sea Magic up. And I'll come back then. And I have a bunch of stuff I have to continue feeding and watering. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. It'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.